Saying no means you respect yourself, you respect your decision, you're very, very beautiful. Keep exploring yourself. Hi guys, I welcome you all to Amrit Talks. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever there's a video on Amrit Talks. Let's move to the video, guys. Hi guys. So in today's video, I am gonna share with you 3 important life lessons which I have learned. Yes guys. So the first one is, guys, learn to say no. Yes, it's a tendency, guys. We hesitate to say no to other people. क्या ये आपके साथ होता है? हम ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि आगे वाले इंसान को बुरा लग जाएगा. But guys, what happens is in the process हमें बुरा लग जाता है. Right? In order to please other people, what we end up doing is we hurt ourselves. We end up doing things which we do not want to do and which is against us many of times. Saying no means you respect yourself, you respect your decision, and you want to give your time to the things which make you happy, not to the things which make other people happy, or not just for the sake of pleasing other people. Okay, the first thing is, guys, learn to say no. Now, second thing which I want all of you to learn is कि social media is exaggerated. ठीक है? I know आज के टाइम पे social media is very important. I want you to learn. It's a big part of our life. I want all of you to understand is social media is very, very much exaggerated. Exaggerated in the sense, guys, the photos which we post, okay, the photos which we post, the life which you see on camera, it is totally, different from the actual life. So guys, what I want all of you to understand is, guys, they are all made up things and they are not real. It is very difficult to sustain such a thing for a very long time. Whatever you see on camera is filtered, it's edited. You should not compare yourself to the real life. Real life is totally different. Whatever you saw on, that is totally different than the actual real world. Okay? और इसको सोच के I have seen people start shaming their self. मतलब shaming in the self, they get embarrassed about their life. They get embarrassed about their actual self. They are embarrassed about their body characters, their features. Okay, I want all of you to understand, guys, whatever you are, you're very, very beautiful. You should not get carried away by the perception of a good life or by the perception of the beauty. Guys, beauty lies in the heart of the person. So do not compare yourself, your life with the life of the other people. You do not know what their journey is all about. The third message which I want all of you to understand is, guys, life is all about constant changes. The only thing constant in life is changes. Yes, I've seen many students telling me कि मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ. I am like this only. मैंने आज तक कभी ऐसा करा ही नहीं, तो मैं अभी क्यों करूँगा? So guys, you have to do things which you have not done earlier to get the results which you have not got earlier. If something is not working, then change it. It does not mean if you have made something, it is hard rock solid. It is changing. Change it in a week, change it in a month, change it in a day also. Who's stopping you from doing that? Change your routine. Keep changing, keep evolving, keep learning, and keep exploring yourself. And trust me, guys, that is the journey is all about. It is not about being fixating at anything. Do let me know any stories related to these 3 points which you want to share with viewers of Amrit Talks.